Okay, so I warmed up in this coffee shop and enough coffee. Now let's get some booze. Alright, here we go. Let's see what's open here.
That's where we're going.
Okay. Because frostbite sounds fun.
One of the millennials just waved to you. See? More New York. Not so ugly and threatening, right? Those lights are on. Pretty scary. Not. You actually biking in this?
Yeah.
How did you fall yet?
What's that?
Have you fallen?
Yeah.
You fell down?
No.
You fell on the floor with the bike?
No.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Ah, be safe.
Lock it today.
No, I don't want you to fall. Don't. Okay.
They're both closed. I can't believe it.
He's walking by mumbling to himself. He can't believe something. I don't know what it is. Can't believe Obama's president, maybe. I don't know.